Hello friends and families, how are you all doing? Happy Sunday to you all. It's your girl Estelle, and I'm back again this week with a new video and a new recipe to share with you all. Today's recipe is a requested recipe from one of my subscribers. Her name is, I think, Swad or Swad. Hello Swad, thank you so much for the continuous love and support. So this week is for you, and I'm dedicating this video to you. The recipe I'm going to share with you guys today is sauce vinaigrette, and this, my friend, which is my subscriber, wanted the Ivorian style. So today I'm going to show you my way of doing this with a little bit of twist, and I'm pretty sure you guys will all love it. I've got two different style of sauce vinaigrette to show to you all today, and I'm pretty sure if you guys watch the video till the end, you would love this recipe and you may want to give it a try. So my friends, without further ado, let me show you how to make it. So friends and families, to get started, as you all can see, the presentation of my ingredients is different than usual. The reason I left all the ingredients in the original packaging is because I really want to make it easy for you guys to know the ingredients I'm adding in the bowl. Okay guys? So I'm going to start by showing you the oil I'm going to use for this sauce, and the oil I will be using is extra virgin olive oil. But don't worry guys, you can use any other oil for this recipe, such as vegetables oil, or you can use something like sunflower oil for this sauce vinaigrette, and it will taste really nice. I like to use olive oil or extra virgin olive oil because of the benefits in it. Plus it tastes really nice when it comes to making a sauce for salad dressing. So here I'm going to add 8 tablespoons of olive oil, and once I finish adding the olive oil, I'll follow up by adding some red vinegar, and I will be adding 4 tablespoons of red vinegar. Then after adding the red vinegar, I'll follow up by adding the juice of 1 lime. You could use lemon if you wish. It's also gonna taste nice. And after adding the lime, I'm going to add just a teaspoon of mayonnaise. And then after adding the mayonnaise, I will be adding half teaspoon of mustard. And next I will be adding a tablespoon of grounded black peppercorn. Guys, when it comes to the black peppercorn, please do not use a ready blended black peppercorn for this recipe. It wouldn't taste the same. Always use a freshly ground black peppercorn for this recipe. I find out that when you use the ready grounded or blended peppercorn for this recipe, it does not taste nice. So make sure to grind your own black peppercorn yourself prior to using it for this recipe. And next I've got some seasoning for the salad, and it's a seasoning that you can use it for cooking. You can also use it for salad making, and I think I've shown it in few of my videos while cooking. It's really a very nice seasoning. It tastes really nice guys, try it, you would love it. So that's the Knorr aroma seasoning I'm using, and I will be adding a good amount of teaspoon of that. And next, this is where my tricks comes in. I've got raw honey here, which I'm going to add in. Guys, this is optional, and you can add it or skip it. But trust me, your sauce vinaigrette will taste really delicious if you add a bit of raw honey. And to that, I will follow up by adding a little bit of salt to taste. Then I will go in and give it a good whisk until everything is well mixed. And once it's well mixed, this would be the time I'm going to give it a taste to make sure all the ingredients are added in is to my desired taste. And if not, I will add the ingredients that I believe that needed for it. And in this case, you guys can see I'm adding the knorr aroma seasoning. I've added just a bit, and I will give it a mix prior to tasting, and voila, the taste is perfect. So the next ingredient I will be adding, guys, is some finely diced red onion, and to that I will be adding just a little bit of finely chopped parsley, and I will give it a mix. Et voila, my first sauce vinaigrette is done. It tastes delicious and yummy. So, and normally this particular sauce vinaigrette, I will serve it with some lettuce, followed by adding a bit of cucumber, tomatoes, and some eggs. And this sauce vinaigrette goes well with this style of salad. So there we go, guys. Bon appetit. It really tastes good, guys. I'm pretty sure you all will love it if you give it a try. Alright, friends and families, so moving on to my next video, which is the final video of today. So just like the first one is straightforward, I've kept the ingredients in the original packaging so you guys can see what I'm adding. So before I get started, first you will need a deep bowl or something like what I've got here, and the reason for that is because after adding all the ingredients in the bowl, I would have to whisk it using an electric blender. So you definitely need a deep bowl for this part of the recipe. So here again, I've got some extra virgin olive oil, but you can use any other oil such as your vegetable oil or your sunflower oil. I just like using the extra virgin olive oil because the benefit in it, plus it really tastes delicious when it comes to making salads. So into my jug, I'm going to add 8 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and then next I'm going to add some red vinegar, and I'm using 3 tablespoons of red vinegar. And here I'm using some lemon. If you notice in my previous recipe, I've using lime juice for that recipe, but in this one I prefer to use lemon juice for this part of the recipe, and I will be using 1 juice of lemon for it. But you can use lime if you prefer, but I prefer lemon for this part of the recipe. So next I will be adding 1 tablespoon of grounded black peppercorn. Remember to use freshly grounded black peppercorn, guys, as that would taste more better. And today I'm going to add some mayonnaise. Guys, if you notice, the previous video had only 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, but in this one it's going to be more than 1 tablespoon. I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise to this. I normally call it mayonnaise based sauce vinaigrette. I'm sure you would have a name for it. So I'm adding 4 tablespoons, as you guys can see. And then after adding the 4 tablespoons of the mayonnaise, I'm going to follow up by adding 1 tablespoon of my knorr seasoning, which I showed to you earlier on. And to that I will be adding 1 tablespoon of some mustard. And here comes my raw honey, which I showed to you earlier on. Is really good if you add it for your sauce vinaigrette. It will taste really nice, guys. So I will be adding 1 tablespoon, and to that I would follow up by adding just a pinch of some salt to taste. Then here I'm going to use an electric blender to blend my sauce, and I will blend it until smooth, guys. Et voila, it looks smooth, and I will give it a taste to make sure that all the seasoning I put in is to my desired taste, and if not, I'm just gonna add a bit. So here I'm adding just a little bit of Knorr aroma seasoning to lift up the taste a bit, and I will mix it and taste it. And voila, it's perfect. So I'm going to transfer it into a bowl, and then after transferring it into the bowl, I'm going to add a good teaspoon of finely chopped parsley. Then I'll give it a nice mix, and after mixing it, here we go, guys. It's done, nice and perfect. When it comes to this sauce vinaigrette, guys, it really goes well when you served it with some lettuce, cucumber, tomatoes, with a side roasted chicken or lamb, and it's yummy, it's tasty, it has a creamy texture. Trust me, it's delicious. That's all I can say. It really tastes nice, and you guys should give it a try, and let me know what you think. Swat, I hope you've liked today's video. This was done for you, and I hope you made a good salad for your husband, as you always said. You said most of the recipe in my channel has helped you to make great dishes for your husband. I hope he will like this one as well. Okay, all right, friends and family, this, as I said from the beginning, was a requested video from Swat. So here we go. You guys should give it a try, and also let me know in the comment section below if you've liked today's video. Okay, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to share the video with your friends and families. They may want to learn to do these sort of things as well. And if you are new to my channel, and if this is your first time watching my video, thank you so much for tuning up, and please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and also share the video with your friends and families. All right, friends and families, until then, I will catch up with you in my next video. Bye all.